Let's talk about how to make money with Sora 2. Take a look at these videos we made for clients in just minutes.
The way it looks like this, we can bring it back to life. I'm Sean with Stanberry Pressure Wash, and we serve the entire Dallas area. Our hot water system cuts through years of grime fast. One pass and you can see the difference. Driveways, patios, brick, whatever needs cleaning, we've got you.
My clients, here's what their tax return looked like before we applied the right strategies. And here's after. That's $42,000 back in their pocket. If you're a small business owner, I can help you save in tax.
We have a pressure washer cleaning a dirty driveway and an accountant explaining tax strategies in their office. These videos look professional and they look expensive, but we made them all with Sora 2 in less than 10 minutes, and clients pay us $1,000 per month just to make these videos and post them on social media. In fact, just last month, my agency generated over $400,000 in revenue by primarily selling social media management and advertising services. The best part is Sora 2 makes this easier than ever before because you don't need to film anything, you don't need expensive cameras, and you just need to follow the steps I'm about to show you. I'm gonna walk you through everything, including how to make the videos, how to find clients, how to charge them, and how to deliver everything so they keep paying you every single month. Right now, we have maybe 3 to 6 months before everyone catches on, so if you're watching this, you're still early. This will work later too, but it's easier right now because not many people are doing this yet. Chapter 1, understanding the problem you're solving. Here's what's happening with small businesses right now. Most of them have terrible social media or they don't post at all. And when they do post something, it's boring, like generic templates from Canva, stock photos that look fake, or random videos they found online. Their competitors are doing the same thing, so everyone looks the same and nobody stands out. But these business owners know they need to post, they just don't have time and they don't know what to post. Hiring a full video crew costs thousands of dollars, and that's where you come in. You create professional videos for them using Sora 2, which are videos that make them look better than everyone else in their area and videos that show them actually doing their work. Then you post these videos 3 to 4 times per week on their behalf. Think about an accountant for a second. Instead of posting a boring stock photo of a calculator, you create a video of them sitting at their desk talking about tax deductions, and it looks like they filmed it themselves, but you made it with AI in 2 minutes. Or think about a pressure washer where instead of a basic before and after photo, you create a cinematic video of them blasting dirt off a driveway in their city. These videos make clients look professional, they make clients look busy, and they make clients look successful. That attracts more customers to their business, and now let me show you exactly how to make these videos. Chapter 2, the video formula that works. To create videos, you need access to Sora 2, and the good news is that you no longer need an invite code in the USA or Canada, so you can sign up right now. Just go to Sora.com and create your account using your real information because Sora wants to see real users making real content. Now you're ready to start making videos, but before you create anything, you need to understand what makes a good video for local businesses. So let me show you the formula.
But real quick, before we move on, if you don't know who I am, hey there, I'm Sean, and I currently own a 7-figure social media marketing agency powered by AI. And I personally put this video together for my AI clone to present my thoughts and experience on this very topic. And I'm here right now just to introduce that yes, I am a real person. And if you want to continue learning from me, I have a special link down in the description below to a free course where I break down how to start an AI business. So make sure you check that out if you haven't already. Also, I read every single comment, so if you have any questions, make sure you ask them, and while you're down there, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the next section of this video.
First, you want to show the business owner or worker doing their actual job, like an accountant reviewing documents or a pressure washer spraying a dirty surface. Second, you want to have them talking to the camera, but not reading a script, just talking naturally about their service. Third, you need to make sure the location looks like their city. So if they're in Dallas, the video should look like Dallas, and if they're in Phoenix, it should look like Phoenix. Fourth, you need to make sure there's motion in the video where the person should be moving and doing something, not just standing still. This formula works because it looks real and it doesn't look like AI, so it looks like the business owner actually filmed this at their job site. Now let me show you how to create these videos step by step. Chapter 3, creating your first client video. Let me walk you through making a video right now. We're going to make one for a pressure washing company in Las Vegas. So first you open Sora 2 and click on create new video. Now you need a prompt, and here's an example I got from ChatGPT. A male pressure washer in his 30s wearing a work uniform stands in front of a residential driveway in Las Vegas. He's holding a pressure washing wand with water spraying onto a dirty concrete surface. The driveway is half clean and half dirty, showing the transformation. He looks at the camera and talks about pressure washing services on a bright sunny day with professional quality and cinematic look, with text animations highlighting the speech. That's it, just simple and clear. Now you hit generate and Sora 2 will create your video in about 1 to 3 minutes. While it's generating, let's make another one by copying that same prompt and changing 1 or 2 details, like maybe changing it to a commercial building or the time of day. You want to generate 2 or 3 versions because this gives you options to show the client. Now your videos are ready and you can download them, but when you do, you'll see the Sora watermark on the video, and we need to remove that before sending it to clients. You can go to any watermark remover tool because there are free ones online where you upload your video, remove the watermark, and download the clean version. You can also enhance the video quality if needed because some tools make videos look more HD, which is optional but makes videos look even better. Now you have 3 professional videos ready and you made them in less than 10 minutes. Next, I'm going to show you exactly how to find businesses who will pay you for these videos. Chapter 4, finding clients who need this service. Finding clients is actually the easiest part, so let me show you. You want to open Google Maps and type in any local service plus your city. You'll see a list of businesses, and these are all potential clients. Now, here's the key, which is to look for businesses that are already spending money on marketing. How do you know? Well, they show up at the top with the word sponsored next to their name, and these businesses are already paying for ads, so they already understand marketing and they're already investing in getting customers. You can click on their listing and you'll see their phone number, their website, their email, and sometimes their social media links. Check their social media and look at what they're posting because most of them post terrible content or they barely post at all. And this is perfect for you. Now go to their website and find their contact form or grab their email address. You're going to send them a simple message and here's what to say. Hey, I noticed you have a solid business, but your social media could be better. I actually made you 2 weeks of content for free. So do you want to see it? That's it. Just simple and direct. Now here's the important part, which is when they respond and ask to see the content, you do not send the videos yet. Instead, you say this: the videos are saved on my computer in my editing software. So let's jump on a quick call and I'll show you everything. Why do you do this? Because you want to get them on a call where you can explain the value, show them the videos, answer their questions, and close the deal. If you just send videos over email, they might look at them later or never look at them or not understand what you're offering, but on a call, you control the conversation. Now, let me show you what to say on that call. Chapter 5, the sales call that closes deals. You get someone on a call and now what? Well, you start by showing them the videos you made. So you pull up your screen and play 2 or 3 videos. Watch their reaction because most business owners will be impressed to see an AI clone of you. After you show the videos, you say something like this: I can clone you and put your face in these videos too. I can post them to your social media 3 times per week, so you never have to think about content again. Then you pause and let them respond. They might ask about price, they might ask how it works, or they might say they need to think about it. Here's how you handle each response. If they ask about price, you say this: I charge $1,000 per month, and that includes 12 videos per month posted on your behalf. Think about how much a video crew would cost or how much time you'd spend filming yourself. So this is way cheaper and easier. If they ask how it works, you explain the simple process. You give me access to post on your social media. I create videos each week and I schedule them to post Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. That's it, and you never have to do anything. If they say they need to think about it, you offer them a trial. Say, okay, then how about this? Let me give you a 14-day free trial. I'll create 2 weeks of content and I'll schedule it on your accounts. You don't pay anything, and after 2 weeks, if you like it, we continue at $1,000 per month. If you don't like it, then no problem, I'll cancel it. Most people will say yes to a free trial because there's no risk for them. Once they agree, you move to the next step, which is setting everything up. Chapter 6, delivering the service the right way. Okay, so your client said yes, and now you need to deliver. Here's exactly what to do. First, let them know you are going to get them onboarded by collecting their payment information for the trial and getting access to their social media accounts. That way, after the 14 days are over, you don't have to chase them down for payment. Second, you need to create a Sora account for your client so they can set up their Cameo. You'll have them go to Sora.com and create their own account, or you can provide a login for them by creating a new email address. Then they'll need to record a short video where they look at the camera from different angles while the app guides them through saying numbers on screen. The key is to make sure they have good lighting, clear audio, and they should wear a shirt that reflects how they want to appear in videos, because whatever they wear in the Cameo video will show up in most of the AI generated videos. You'll also need to set their Cameo permissions so you can use their likeness. Once their Cameo is set up, then the third thing you need to do is create 12 videos using Sora. Since this is organic content, then you want to have a healthy mix of content that is providing value and selling the business. I usually suggest a mix of education and entertaining content. The great news is that you don't have to come up with the ideas completely yourself. You can ask your client what they would want to see or use ChatGPT to come up with 12 Sora prompts for the niche that educates and entertains their target audience. Once the videos are made, then the last thing you need to do is set up the scheduling system, and this is where we use High Level. Inside High Level, you'll navigate to Marketing and then click Social Planner at the top of the screen. And the first time you access it, you'll need to connect your client's social media accounts by clicking the Settings gear icon and then Connect Social. Once connected, you'll click Create a New Post or the plus button. Then you select which social media accounts you want to post to from the drop-down menu, and you can upload your videos and add captions and hashtags. You can schedule posts for specific dates and times like Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and you can even see a calendar view of all your scheduled posts by clicking Open Planner in the top right corner. I recommend High Level because not only can you schedule posts, but you can create an entire automated booking system that allows your clients to generate appointments using social media. This enhances the value of your services, which creates more sustainable recurring revenue for you. I'll put a link to my step-by-step video tutorial that explains exactly how to set this up, so you can check that out if you haven't already. But for now, that's the whole process. This is something where you do this once every 2 weeks. It takes less than an hour, and you get paid $500 to $1,000 per month per client. Chapter 7, Scaling to multiple clients and higher prices. Once you have one client paying you $1,000 per month, you can get more. You use the same process where you find businesses on Google Maps, reach out with the same message, and show them examples of videos you made for your existing client. Now you have proof, and now you have results to show, which makes selling easier. If you get 5 clients, that's $5,000 per month, and if you get 10 clients, that's $10,000 per month. But here's the real opportunity, which is don't just sell social media posting. You can offer to turn those videos into ads and offer to run Facebook ads for them that actually bring in new customers. And this is where you charge more, way more. For running ads, you can charge $1,500 to $3,000 per month per client. Why will they pay this much? Because you're not just posting content anymore, you're bringing them actual customers and you're growing their revenue. So here's how this works. You take the same videos you made and use them as ad creatives. Then you set up a simple Facebook ad campaign targeting their local area. When someone clicks the ad, they fill out a form with their name, email, and phone number. So your client now has a lead, which is a potential customer who wants their service. Most business owners will happily pay $3,000 per month if you're bringing them 5 or 10 or 20 new customers. The math makes sense for them because if they make $3,000 profit per customer and you bring them 10 customers, they made $30,000. So your $3,000 fee is nothing. And for you, the work is almost the same because you're already making the videos and you just set up one ad campaign and monitor it a few times per week. So that's it. I run this exact model in my agency where we charge $6,200 per client for 3 months of service. They pay everything up front and we make the videos, we post them, we run the ads, and we book appointments for them. And because everything is automated with AI and scheduling tools, it doesn't take much time. If you want to learn how to start an AI agency, click the first link in the description below and I'll give you free access to my AI Business Blueprint course. You'll also get access to the software we use to automate everything, and this is completely free, so just click the link and sign up. Don't wait and don't overthink it. Just start today. Make your first videos, reach out to your first businesses, and get your first client. Everything you need is in this video, and everything else you need is in my free course at the link in the description. Go get it and start building your AI-powered content agency today. Coming up next, I'm going to walk you through the auto DM booking system that helps convert social media followers and engagement into leads, and I'll see you there.